Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of this series where we are learning how to use and sell our existing artworks on different platforms. In our previous video, we have learned how to set up a shop and sell our artwork on Icon Scout. And in this video, we are going to sell our artwork on Gumroad. So Gumroad is a platform where you can sell digital products like illustration packs, sticker sets, wallpapers and brushes. Selling your artwork on Gumroad is super easy. Anyone can do it. So there's no approval process, no waiting, no tech skills needed. Just sell your artwork and earn. And today I'll show you exactly how to upload and sell your digital art step by step. Whether you are into illustrations, clip art, digital stickers, or wallpapers, this guide is perfect for beginners. So let's dive in. Here is the simple steps to sell your artwork on Gumroad. Step 1. Create an Gumroad account. Step 2. Prepare your files and thumbnail images. And step 3. Add product details like title, price and descriptions. And step 4. Share your product link with friends or on social media. So let's start with the step 1. Create a Gumroad account. So first go to the Gumroad website and click on the Start Selling button. You can either sign up with your email and password or simply use your Google account. After a few seconds, Gumroad will send a login token to your email. Just copy that token and paste it on the website to log in. Once you are logged in, your dashboard will appear, ready for you to start uploading and selling. So we can add our digital products by clicking the product button. But before uploading, let's first set up our account details so we can get paid. So click on the payout button, select your country, check off the 3 required boxes to ensure the smooth payouts. Click save. Now your account is verified. You can also choose how often you want to receive payments, like weekly or monthly, and set a minimum payment amount. So here is the minimum payout amount is $10. So next we need to add our payment details. You will see the Gumroad fee percentage here as well. Don't worry, it's reasonable. You can add either your PayPal or bank account details, whichever you prefer. Then fill in your personal informations like first and your last name, address, bank account numbers, city and postal codes. Once everything is filled in, just click Update Setting at the top right corner. Now your account is ready. So let's move on to adding the product you want to sell. Step 2. Upload your art the right way. So uploading is easy but details matter. So first add a title. Make sure it's clear and searchable so people can easily find your product. Then scroll down and set the price. Start with the low price or even choose pay what you want to attract your first buyers. So for now, I'm setting it to 0. I'll change it later and clicking the next button in the top right corner. Now we are in the product dashboard where we will add all the important details. Before we go further, let's prepare our file, cover image and thumbnails. So here is the recommended size of cover images 1280 into 720 pixel in PNG or JPG format, and thumbnail image size is 600 into 600 pixel. So make sure your visuals look clean and attractive. They help grab attentions and boost sales. Let's start by setting up the cover size in Adobe Illustrator. And I'll copy the frame because I'm creating 2 cover images. You can create more if you like. Now I'm pasting the product images so we can arrange them. For the first cover, I will keep it simple, and for the second one, I will experiment a bit with the colors and small tweaks. I'm not planning to create any more covers for now. but feel free to design more creative ones. You can even use Google or AI for inspiration for help. I'm showing my products clearly in the cover images so that buyers can easily see what's inside. There should be no confusion or hesitation when purchasing. So I'm almost done creating the cover images. By watching this process, you will definitely get an idea of how to create effective cover images and thumbnails. So now I'm saving the files in PNG format. Now let's create the thumbnail using the same process. I have already made a thumbnail for Rebel, so I just paste it here in 600 into 600 pixel. I have already prepared the files. If you are unsure how to prepare your own, you can check out my previous video where we talked about just selling products on Icon Scout. So now let's move to the step 3, add product details. First, we will turn our files into a zip file. Next, upload the cover and thumbnail images we created earlier. Then write a short description of your product in the description box. Explain what is it and what buyers will get. And for the file formats, buyers will receive SVG, AI, PNG, JPG and EPS files. So now let's set the price. I'm choosing the pay what you want option and setting the minimum price is $2. This part is totally up to you. Once everything is filled out, click on the content and upload the zip file with your product. It will take a few seconds to upload the product. If you want to publish it right away, just click the Save Changes button at the top right corner. But if you are ready to publish, just click the Publish button. So next, add some tags related to your product and choose the right product category. Then click Save Changes again. That's it. Your product is now uploaded. You can see it in the products section. Here is how it will look after uploading. Now the final step is share your product links on social media or send it to your friends and ask them to check it out or buy it. If you are new to Gumroad, your product will only appear on the public listing after your first sale. That's why sharing your link is super important. Once you make your first sale, all your future products will be published automatically after uploading. Selling your art on Gumroad is one of the easiest way to earn from your creativity without chasing clients or commissions. So don't wait for someone to hire you. Upload what you have already. So give it a name and start selling today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you are start uploading, tag me. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.